Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make soft delicious baked donuts. They are topped with a vanilla glaze and sprinkles, so let me show you how to make them. In a big bowl you will add your egg and sugar. Mix this using a whisk until everything is well incorporated. Now add the rest of the ingredients: vanilla, melted butter, milk, salt and baking powder. Mix these using a whisk until everything is well combined. It's time to add your flour and mix this again using a whisk until incorporated. Using a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl. And now our donut batter is ready. You can place the mixture into a piping bag to make it easier to pour into the tin. Make sure to put enough cooking spray in each hole so they will not stick. Gently pour the mixture using your piping bag all around the hole. This mixture makes exactly 12 normal sized donuts. Our donuts are ready to go into the oven, and you need to bake these for 8 to 10 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Our donuts just came out of the oven, and you need to place them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. It's time to prepare our glaze. In a bowl you will add your icing sugar and a couple of tablespoons of milk. Mix these using a small spoon until everything is well incorporated. Add your milk tablespoon by tablespoon because you don't want your mixture to be too runny. Now it's time to add the food coloring into the icing. I will make a hot pink color, and then I will add some sprinkles onto the donuts. You will take one donut on the smooth side and dip it into the icing. Wait a few seconds to remove any extra icing onto the donut, and then place it back onto the cooling rack. You can decorate with some sprinkles or use a different color of icing and make drizzles on top. Don't wait too long until you add the sprinkles because the icing gets hard easily. Our donuts are ready to be served. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.